Hello, how are you? Welcome to the channel, and today, the ideas will be for you to better enjoy the corners and openings of your home. So come on, corners every house has and no one escapes the challenge of decorating them. To make the task easier, we selected creative ideas that make the space functional and more beautiful, no matter the way the walls meet. Creating an angle to the outside or to inside, you will enhance your favorite belongings, leaving them on display and enjoying spaces at different angles. The same happens in the bathroom, especially in small houses. To take advantage of the space, install the sink on the wall and see that in this case above the vase there is still a little space to decorate with plants. We always need space in the kitchen for cutlery and especially to store dish towels, and for the more traditional recipe books, drawers in that unused corner solve the problem. Having breakfast or afternoon in a private space and yours alone is a delight. So why not take advantage of that corner of the living room with one installed on the wall and still being able to serve as a fruit bowl and a small cellar for your favorite wine. Or if you prefer, or if there is not enough space in your kitchen, you can even plan a pull-out table directly from your counter. You can also take advantage of the spaces under the stairs by creating cabinets for your kitchen, reserved for living room furniture, or even create a reading corner. And finally, if you have a large room, you can create two environments, sharing it with a bookcase. For example, you can make an entrance hall and a living room. It is very beautiful and elegant. Oh, and if you liked today's video, leave your like and comment if these ideas helped you. Share this video with someone. A hug, and until the next video.